Hi, Nanda. Welcome to the HR Success Talk jury discussions. So I hope the entire experience of attending this award function have been great. And not taking much of your time, we'll quickly move ahead to the questions that we have actually prepared for you. That what can organizations and leaders do to support women in the workplace? What are your views onto it?
See, the first and foremost thing what an organization should do is first they should believe in women leadership, because many organizations so happens that they are women friendly or women friendly organization, but when it comes to top leadership, there is somewhere I think bit of more they should be more liberal about it. And also they have to form a culture where everyone in the organization should feel that women are not only for working or leading departments who are on soft skills, but any department. And time has proven many successful women, starting from Kiran Bedi to Sudha Murthy to our first Lieutenant General in the Army to Kalpana Chawla to even why not the women who do difficult job, women who do difficult job like mine workers. So we have proven that we can be successful in every field because our emotional quotient is very high, and also we are multitaskers and we have that ability to connect from the heart. It's not only a very cut and dry sort of an approach which we take. So organizations first, they should have trust. They should trust on women leadership, is I first would like to say. And gender diversity should not only be on their pie chart or presentation, but they should practice instead of just preaching it and just putting it on paper and not really doing accordingly in sync with what they are promoting or saying it to the external world.
Right, that's a very interesting viewpoint that you have brought across to the table. So now moving ahead to the next question, what women want from work? What is it that we are seeking from?
See, one thing we cannot deny that we are on the emotional front, we are a little too well, touchy and then men. Okay, let's just accept it. It's not that everyone. I'm not generalizing, but most of us. I think we always are fighting for priority. Rather than that, we should fight for equality, because when we want to walk along with men, which nowadays, in women's lib and everyone is propagating, we cannot fight for priority. I think equality is what we should look at. And women, I think they look to and in this constant fight, in this endeavor, I think it's only because they want to prove that they can do definitely a better job or an equal job than a man can do in any organization. And it cannot happen over a day or two, but it can, they have to establish themselves. We have to establish ourselves consistently over a period of time to break the myth in people, break the myth in people that, okay, so suppose I come from communication field, so I have heard many times this comment that oh, communication, yeah, women can do good job. Women can do better job in many other departments also. They can head finance, they can head strategies, they can be the CEOs, they can be the MDs of a company, and we have seen it happening. Only I think everyone believes in it. Men believes in it, uh, not many accepts it. Women, they should believe in it. That is what they should look in their life. Self introspection, believing in ourselves is what is very, very important. And also, I think the way we want respect from men, we should also respect men and think them in office as their colleague, and not just another gender. We should be professional. I think women needs to be professional than thinking themselves that I am a woman employee. So there, the problem happens. Another thing I think we look at from an organization is that they trust us, that we can do definitely a superior job, better job. We can do justice to any job than what a man can do. Nothing less. It all, see, performance depends on individual, not according to gender. That is, I think, we are fighting for, telling the world that trust us, believe us. We have proven ourselves, but miles to go ahead, and we will prove ourselves that we can be at the top of the pyramid. Just give us some time and think ourselves as professionals, but not a gender, quote unquote.
Well, thanks for sharing the wonderful insights. So since we are done with these questions, I wanted to understand how your overall experience has been with HR Success Talk, starting from the first day of the conversation you had with Shefali till now.
I would say, first of all, very good initiative. These small actions, gestures, these platforms, these events, these sessions, I think helps women, helps all of us, all women, to develop further confidence in ourselves. The more we come out, the more we explore, the more we are exposed, I think the confidence in us grows, and also other gender, they develop this confidence in us the more they see. So that's a fantastic initiative. And coordination, seamless coordination, starting from communication, which is very, very integral part of any successful event, I mean, anything, timekeeping, to getting in touch with us, to I think the event flow, selection, shortlisting candidates, everything done in a very nice, professional manner. Good and bad is very perspective. One suggestion, if I may, would be that next time when we do this event, what we need to do is, the categorization. Like, suppose we are shortlisting participant, I won't say candidate, participant from a small NGO or a small organization. We cannot equate that person with another, a huge organization of repute, because definitely their contribution would be more. It's not that this person is not doing anything less in her field, maybe in individual capacity, but when it comes to a big institute or an institution, then definitely their performance, their budget, everything differs. So it becomes little, it not very difficult to judge them, but maybe at times it becomes very unfair, because the number of projects, number of initiatives which they can showcase, maybe this person in her individual capacity, with all the good intent what the person has, the in helping out the people in the society, respective of gender, respective of community. So it becomes little tricky to decide. Maybe that categorization you all should look into it, that how it can be later, it can be better.